going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. The New World Order book is going to show you how the world works. It is definitely time to wake up out of your sleep in the times that we're in right now. Plus, guys, we know we're waiting on that next main event towards the end of the year. We had the first quarter event. Like I told you, that would happen. Don't forget this is Shemitah year. And then also, I want to thank those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's definitely time to re-educate. And also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. Do not forget I have the New World Order cryptos in my Patreon. Do your own research, but going inside of a bear market, you definitely want the cryptos that have real use cases. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And right now, we have Bitcoin and crypto slightly moving up. We have CME, Euro, Bitcoin, and Ethereum futures today. But if we look at the stock market, it's down again. Guys, we see the dollar as strong as it gets, and then plus yields are rising. The only reason why crypto is moving up is because we have futures. But I see us pulling back on Thursday and Friday. And then over the weekend, we do have a 3-day weekend where we should get a little liquidity because we're going to be the only game in town. And then we know on the 5th they need Bitcoin as collateral, but I don't see a big pump just because, guys, we know they're going to be pulling back for September. This is Shemitah year, plus, guys, this is New Year's. Now we have the Ethereum merge only a few weeks away. And keep in mind, over the next couple years, it's all about building. So even though we're going to start seeing utility, it's not going to be reflective in the price. And that's the reason why most retail investors fall by the wayside. I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research. And that's the reason why what Warren Buffett states is absolutely facts. If you're looking 5-10 years down the road and you see this company as solid, you know you're going to get a return on your investment, but it's all about patience. But guys, make sure you're paying attention to the actual indicators. You have yield rates, you have volume, you have tether, you have USDC. And then plus, guys, we have the Fed. Repo is still over $2 trillion. Guys, we know again in September they're going to raise rates, but then the big part of September is rolling off this balance sheet. And then on top of it, guys, we see the dollar just keeps getting stronger because everybody's moving into U.S. treasuries, moving into the U.S. dollar. But we know that is all part of the plan. So when the U.S. dollar loses its world reserve currency, America, the Babylon, falls right along with it. And then we're going to see China, the dragon, rise along with that digital yuan backed by that digital SDR. and Bretton Woods 2.0 is going to be here. And remember, the crypto teacher told you. And you know I give you the truth. Nothing but the truth. Yes, the truth hurts, but it sets you free. And then, of course, guys, we have Grayscale. They had moved down on Friday. Make sure you're paying attention to their actual allocations. But getting over into a little crypto news. We have interoperability as the key to blockchain technology for mass adoption. And we know for the masses, they want to make it seamless. But enabling blockchain networks and protocols to communicate with each other are also for the robots, algorithms, and drones. It will make it seamless for them to take payment and to make a payment. And remember, the crypto teacher told you. And lastly, we have Ripple, Brad, Garlinghouse in the news, and then also Avalanche. And basically, they're denying that they funded law firms that target others. And again, guys, we're seeing a drama story. Not focused on the fundamentals, not focused on building, but drama. And we saw Brad Garlinghouse get in on the drama. There is no reason to even respond. You saw Binance CZ retweet this. There's no reason if it hasn't even been proven. The reason why, because it's more drama. The same way with the SEC and Ripple case. It's a way to distract you. Keep your eyes on the money. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows. When it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, and not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel, Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, where everybody's sitting at home, get home stocks, the C-Word, the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Drama Team Save the Village. Part 2. King Joshua and Drama Team Save New York. From COVID Stories 3. Part 3. King Joshua and Drama Team goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.